Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll down and find the option system. Then let's scroll down again and find reset options. And as you can see, the network preferences are divided between two different categories. So we've got mobile network settings and separately Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So just choose the option that you want to reset. I will pick maybe Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So just tap on it and tap on reset. As you can see, we've got this information. Remember, you cannot undo this action. And same with mobile network settings. However, here we've got more security, let's say, because we need to enter our PIN to confirm that. So just tap on reset settings. Here we need to enter the PIN. You cannot undo this action, so be aware about that, and tap on reset settings. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.